Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to use shortcuts on Comet Browser. So, here we can ask anything, type @ for mentions and / for shortcuts. So just type /, and here we have some of the shortcuts. For example, teach me Comet and send. Now it is thinking and gives you an answer to your question with a shortcut in just a couple of seconds. Okay, how to use Comet personalized guide based on your history, and as you can see you have everything right here. Now / and we have trending on social, for example, evaluate this deal, evaluate whether this is a good deal by checking its price history over time, etc. Prep next meeting, write, take this rough idea or sentence and develop it into a more compelling paragraph or argument. We can even create our own shortcuts. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.